Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get TikTok famous today and get unlimited TikTok followers onto your account, guys. So check this out. As you guys can see, I have a plus 100 button so I can add unlimited TikTok followers straight to my account. So check this out, guys. Watch what happens here. So boom, plus 100. I just added 100 followers to my TikTok account instantly, just like that. So let me show you guys what this is, guys. It's basically a TikTok mod app. It's basically called TalkTalk Plus Plus. Basically has a bunch of new features for TikTok, like endless features that you can use in the app, guys. And this works on all versions of iOS and Android and all iOS and Android devices. So check this out, guys. I also got it on my Android phone, running flawlessly. Both my devices on the latest versions of iOS and Android, so you don't need to worry about that at all. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this for both iOS and Android. So let me pop it open again and just show you guys. So now you guys have a little bit better understanding. So it does come with a unlimited TikTok follower adder built in. So watch, I can get all the way, like I can add literally as many TikTok followers as I want to my account. This is the only way I know of to get TikTok famous overnight. Like, it's super easy to do, guys. So let me show you guys exactly how to do this, okay? And you guys can get this app right now. It literally takes like 2 minutes to get it, guys. I'm going to walk you guys through all the steps, step by step. The instructions are basically the same for Android and iOS, so you don't need to worry about that at all. So let's get into it, guys. Let me show you guys exactly how to do this, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is going to pop open our browser here, and we're going to go to this website right here. So just get this typed in, guys, okay? And then just click on the go button, and then we're going to search for TalkTalk. So there it is, guys, TalkTalk Plus Plus. And there it is. This is the TikTok mod app. So you want to just tap on this button here. And so basically it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. So if you guys are on Android, once this bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. So you want to click the go button twice. Then it'll basically give you all the instructions. So you want to do exactly what the instructions say. But if you guys are stuck at all on any of the steps or the instructions or anything like that, what you guys want to do is you want to click on the red play button at the top of the setup wizard. That'll take you to a full YouTube video tutorial guide which will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Okay, guys, so if you guys are on iOS, it's going to hit you with this message right here. Just click allow, close, and then go to your settings. It's going to, well, I don't know why it's there. And then you want to just click on this right here. So there it is, guys, TikTok Plus Plus for iOS and Android, extended features, add followers. You can also get verified status. There's a bunch of crazy features, guys. So this is obviously what we want to get unlimited TikTok followers fast. So just want to get this onto your device, guys. Next, install, done. So I basically just updated my TikTok Plus Plus app. So what you guys want to do from there is pop it open, click the go button twice, and then do exactly what the instructions say. Once you complete the instructions, the app will load with all the features working. But guys, if you guys are having any issues or you know, any problems with the with the setup process, just click on the red play button at the top of the setup wizard. That'll take you to a YouTube video tutorial guide which will show you how to do exactly the steps step by step without having to yeah, basically do all the steps step by step. It'll be a full YouTube video live tutorial guide. So yeah, it's super simple, guys. Just follow the YouTube video tutorial if you're stuck at any moment. Okay, guys, so that's how to get TikTok famous today. Super fast for free. Get free unlimited TikTok followers on iOS and Android, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.